This is how we group tickers by industries. Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our series of stock market data. So we're to the point now where we need to really compare and contrast companies with each other. And one of the major rules of thumbs is comparing companies within an industry. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video upon another. So we've brought in, and we have this data frame here where we're reading in an entire Excel list, and it has a lot of things. So before, we were just using our ticker symbols and just searching that. Well, we're to the point now where we have one screener done out of the way. Now let's kind of dig into it, where we're going to look at industries, and then we're going to run screeners on those and boil it down and look at that. So let's just get something going here. So let's make a new variable, symbols, and this is just going to be the data frame of the symbols and the industry, and then we'll look at it. And we got a little bit more information that I want to symbol, and then industry. We're gonna have a couple more topics in here, more than I'm wanting to do. So let's just bring this in. And okay, so now we have symbols. If I can type right. Symbols. All right, well, let me make sure you can see all this. Okay, great. Aha. So here we are. So now we already know how to group. So now we need to learn about unique, because what we're going to do is we're going to automate this, where we're going to let Python go through and pandas and group these all together. So now also, since we've looked at pickling before, we're going to comment this out because I already have this, but we need to put this under our belt. What is this? It's symbols dot to pickle. This is how awesome pandas is. Symbols dot pkl. Close this out. So I run this right here, and I have then a pickled file of our data frame of just symbols and industry. So I'll leave that there. So you can just keep this if you want to have this for later, but pandas already has a to pickle method for you. So all right, now let's look at how we're going to use this. So we have all these industries, and you might say, well, how are we going to automate this? Well, guess what? Pandas has you taken care of. df dot industry. So that's a column. Industry. Now here's where it is. Dot. I always have to look and cheat because I can't spell unique. So boom. Let's run this. So this is going to be, look at this. I get a list of all the unique industry names. So we don't need that anymore, but we know how to use it. And this is, now we're just going to assign this, actually. So let me uncomment this and change this to I forgot I did this, Indie. So now, here we are. So let's bring this in again. So now our Indie is an array of all our industries. So, and we know how to do this. So now we're going to use our same technique, so we don't have to go in and go, oh, well, what are we going to name these variables? We don't have to. Let's use grouped tickers. We'll just throw it into a dictionary. And we can come back and look at these later and pull them out and create a variable and start to screen. But for I in Indy, then we're going to run this. So grouped, ticker, and what are we going to do? How are we going to do this? Throw in this. That's our key. Now, what do we remember about our pandas? How to go through this? A data frame, and then we're going to pull out the data frame dot industry. There we go. Equals I. So let's go over this one more time. Okay. So we remember. Oh, here. DF industry equals boom. Oop. Helps if again. I don't spell so good when it comes to industry, apparently. Here we are. Yeah, I go ARY. Aha! So then I get my Boolean, and then I kick this out. So let's run this, and I'm going to have a dictionary with every single, and again, tickers. I think I did this in my dry run. Left off the S. So here we are. Wow. Grouped tickers. And then I have, oh, look at this. Look at this. So now I have tickers with grouped in, so then I can go in and laser focus in industries and find undervalued companies, and we're gonna delve into this very, very soon, but we needed to touch on this first. So please drop any comments, questions, anything that I may have gone too quickly over, please let me know and we'll go over it more. But this is the beginning of how you compare and contrast and look at companies that are overvalued or, and especially in our case, undervalued. But there we go, guys. All right, this is how we group tickers by industries. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.